Assalamu alaikum. Once again, I would like to welcome you all to our video series. In this video series, we are discussing Canadian immigration either via ExpressEntry or via provincial nomination program. Today, we are going to discuss NOC code, National Occupation Classification. In this video, we are going to briefly touch upon what exactly a NOC code is and how do we choose a NOC code. Before we start our video, once again, I would want to inform everybody that the purpose of making these videos is to share my personal experience and the knowledge which I have gained by processing my own application. By no means this is going to be a video from an approved IRCC agent. I am not an IRCC agent. I am not an immigration lawyer. I'm not an immigration consultant. My motive is to share my personal experiences with everybody. My experiences can be helpful or cannot be helpful in your case, and it will be your responsibility if you are going to use these videos as a guideline. With that being said, again, as you can see on my screen, we are going to the official website and we are going to first try to understand what the NOC code is. Once again, I would share all of these links in video description. So feel free to read when you have time on yourself, and we will be now looking at what the NOC code is. Navigating to the website, this link has a bunch of useful information which you must read. As of now, the NOC code version 2021 is in place. Previously, NOC code version 2016 was being used. What are the differences between 2016 and 2021 version? We are not going to go into those details. In order to simply explain what a NOC code is, basically a NOC code is used to identify the occupation which you intend to work in once you have decided to submit your ExpressEntry application. Based on this NOC code, a job title will be assigned to your profile, and the same NOC code will be used to justify work experiences which you have claimed in your application. In order to get more information on how the work experience is calculated and how the work experience is justified, please feel free to watch my past video. I will tag that as well. On this link, you are going to find very useful information. Please feel free and try to understand different tiers which are used in NOC code. We are gonna go straight to how we can find a NOC code. So from here we can go to NOC website. And on this website, we have got two options. Either we can search by job title, or I believe we would have the option to search by NOC code as well. Let's go search by job title and say system administrator. This is a very common NOC code for all of the applicants who are working in network support, network engineering, desktop support, help desk, basically IT operational jobs. They fall under this no code, and we have on this page, you can also see we have the option to search via no code as well. But let's see what our search results are. Again, as you can see, we search for system administrator, and the results which we can see, the first column on the left is going to come up with a no code, in this case 22220, and the category would be computer network and web technicians. And we can, on this page, you can also check the matching job titles. Let's open the unit group. And I think it's going to take some time. While it loads, I'm going to pause the video and we would start from here. As you can see, the web page has loaded, and we have opened the unit group for the no code, computer network and web technicians. On this page, you can see example job titles as well. There are a bunch of job titles mentioned here already, but you can also expand index of job titles. And you can see all of the job titles which are being accepted by this node. According to my experience, what I have noticed is your job title wouldn't really matter. What is of importance is your roles and responsibilities and your education. One thing to remember is when you're choosing your NOC, your education should align with the requirements of the NOC as well as with the employment requirements. If you further scroll down on this page, you can see the main duties. While you are drafting your job reference letter, when you have successfully decided on a NOC, kindly use these guidelines on any NOC page to understand how to build up your job reference letter. Please do not copy these main duties as your job responsibilities from this page. If you further scroll down, we would see the employment requirements. When you decide to choose a NOC, please make sure your education is aligned with the job and your employment requirements. Your education should also be able to meet all of these requirements. These are the employment requirements, and you can also see exclusions. Now let's take the example of another NOC code. And this time we are going to search civil engineer. Once again, I'm going to pause the video here. Once the results are on the web page, we will resume our video. The results have loaded for civil engineer, and let's see what the job NOC code is and what is the unit group. So for civil engineers, we have a few of the NOC codes. So you would have to appropriately choose which one matches your education and which one matches your work background. So I'm going to open 21300 civil engineers. And once again, we will try to go through the job descriptions, matching job titles and employment requirements. Again, index of titles. On the right side, you can also go through job tier requirements. As you can see, this is a tier 1, no code, and occupations usually require a university degree. So make sure you have appropriate education when you select this no code. These are the employment requirements. I hope you were able to find this video informative. Once again, please use this video as a guideline, and I would highly encourage everybody to do your own research, and we will meet in the next video.